Hi there, how are you doing today? We're going to thoroughly explore how to successfully open a brand new bank account at BBVA. Okay, this entire process is actually pretty straightforward and quite simple to follow. What we primarily need to do is navigate to our preferred internet browser and carefully type in BBVA into the search bar. Alright, and here, once we have precisely typed BBVA into the browser, what we're going to do next is quite straightforward and easy to understand, okay? Here, we will first accept the cookies and all of the related terms and conditions, and then we will proceed to click right here where it clearly states Become a Client. This very important button will effectively allow us to initiate the process of creating a new account with them. Okay. We're going to click there. And here, we'll immediately click here to start the registration process at the bank. Okay. This is how we can open an account. And well, then it's just a matter of waiting and entering all the information they ask for. It's very simple and easy to do. Here these fields will appear for us. We're going to click Next here. Here we'll click Next. And well, here it asks us for information. Here it asks for identification. And well, it's just a matter of us entering whatever we consider necessary. And well, that's it. If this video helped you, please comment and subscribe.